I know that you would agree that nowadays it's been a dream of almost everyone to make money online in the comfort of their own home, where there's a lot more safer, more convenient, and pretty much more comfortable. By the way, my name is Medj Kian, a member here in Empowered Consumerism. At this point, we are leaning into something that would benefit our health and of course our family's finances. That is why, here at Empowered Consumerism, we share a system that would benefit both. Empowered Consumerism is a top 1 multi-level marketing here in Asia with over 100 branches nationwide and operating in 200 countries worldwide. In 19 years of existence, we have created not only one, not 5, but over 30,000 and counting millionaires all over the globe. We at Empowered Consumerism are making a way of turning ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires. So how do you become part of Empowered Consumerism? All you need to do is purchase an EasyBurst package worth of 1,800 Australian dollars. This is a value for money package with world-class and high-quality products. Also, you will have your own DTC or distributor tracking center where you can monitor your business 24/7. And you will have your own ATM pay card for fast and convenient encashments. And you are also entitled into 25% up to 50% lifetime discounts in all of our products. So how do you earn in our program? So here are the ways. First is direct selling. You can earn up to 50% outright income in all of our products. Second is direct referral bonus. You can earn 295 Australian dollars in every person you sponsored in the business. That means you can sponsor as many as you can and earn unlimited 295 Australian dollars. Third is match sales bonus. When you sign up, we will help you build your lab sales group and right sales group. And also you are qualified to earn 159 Australian dollars in every match sales. For example, the system detects that one person on your lab sales group purchased an EasyBurst package and same goes on your right sales group, it will match and automatically you will earn additional 159 Australian dollars. As your lab sales group and right sales group grows, your income will also grow. Your 1,800 Australian dollars will earn you up to 823 Australian dollars per day, 5,761 Australian dollars per week, and 23,044 Australian dollars per month. That is per account. This is the exciting part. You alone can have 31 accounts where you can maximize your potential income. So remember, the starting point of all achievements is desire. Take action now and get back to the person who sent you this video. Once again, this is me, Medj Kian Villanueva. Happy Christmas!